Hey, it's Nazakat here. Welcome to my honest Newbie Success Formula review. If you have been trying to start an affiliate business but keep getting stuck on the technical setup like buying domains, installing WordPress, or connecting autoresponders, you are suffering from what I call tech paralysis. That is why I decided to investigate Newbie Success Formula by Kevin Fahey. But before I say anything else, let me show you the proof. As you can see, I am logged into the actual members area right now. I have access to the full system, so I can show you exactly what is inside to help you decide if this is worth your money. So, what is this product actually promising? The headline claims you can launch your first money-making website and automate your email empire in just days, not years. Basically, Kevin claims this is a paint-by-numbers system that removes all the guesswork. But is that true? Or is it just more marketing hype? I dug into the training to find out if it actually lives up to this promise. Here's the thing. If you're like me, you've probably bought courses that gave you great theory but left you confused about the actual setup. You know what I mean? You sit down to work, but you get stuck on one technical step, you get frustrated, and you quit. The problem isn't that you aren't smart, the problem is confusion. Newbie Success Formula is designed to solve this specific problem by forcing you to follow a linear, step-by-step process like building a Lego set. You physically cannot move to step 2 until step 1 is done. Let's go back inside and look at the key features. Module 2 is the foundation. Kevin walks you through setting up a professional WordPress site. He uses free tools and shows you every single click. If you can click a mouse, you can build this site. Module 4 is the silent sales engine. This is the most valuable part. He shows you how to connect your email autoresponder to your site. This is the plumbing that usually stops beginners, but here it is a simple 10-minute job. Also, it is important to know who you are learning from. Kevin Fahey is a top-rated vendor on Warrior Plus with a long history of releasing quality products. He is not a here today, gone tomorrow guru. Now let's look at the upgrades. I want to be 100% transparent with you. The front end is $16.95. This gets you the full system. OTO 1 is ARM 2.0. This gives you the email templates to put inside the system you just built. OTO 2 is a software tool. My advice, the front end is essential. OTO 1 is highly recommended if you hate writing emails. The rest are optional. However, I did notice one gap in the training. Kevin shows you how to build the site, but he doesn't give you the content to post immediately. So I created a custom fast-track bonus stack to fix this. Bonus 1, my fill in the blanks review template. You just copy my structure and fill in the blanks. Bonus 2, my traffic ignition daily checklist. Bonus 3, my shiny object shield planner. These are not random PLR courses. These are the actual tools I use. So, is Newbie Success Formula worth it? Yes, it is the most honest, direct way to cure tech paralysis and get a real business live this weekend. Remember, you are covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is zero risk. Click the first link in the description below to get the full system plus all my exclusive bonuses instantly. Stop overthinking. Let's build your business today.